Have you ever wondered who is in control of your joy and your peace? People will say, God. Of course it's God, because the joy of the Lord is my strength. And the peace of God surpasses all understanding. But my actual question is, whose responsibility is it to hold on to that joy and to hold on to that peace? Is it other people? Is it your neighbors? No, it is you. You are responsible for your joy and your peace. Het jy al gewonder, wie is eintlik in beheer van jou vreugde en van jou vrede? Mense gaan sê, dis God. Natuurlik is dit God. God is die voorsiening van vreugde en van vrede. Maar my eintlike vraag is, wie se verantwoordelikheid is dit om daai vreugde en vrede te behou? Is dit ander mense sin? Is dit jou naastes? Nee, dis jy self. Jy is in beheer van jou vreugde en van jou vrede.